Copenhagen, my city, my home. You see, amongst the old houses and busy streets, there's a story hidden. A faint whispering of magic, mermaids and love lingers in the statues, cobblestone streets and buildings. I am one of the keepers of this story. You are my StoryKeeper recruit. Together we'll make sure that the Little Mermaid's story is kept safe for generations to come. There will be obstacles to overcome in order to unlock the parts of this fairy tale. You can accompany me whenever it suits you, and you can pause the tour if you need a break. I'll be here waiting for you. We'll do it together, you and I, and experience the mermaid's tale firsthand. StoryTourist. Step into the story.